The python's stomach is full. Huh? Sitting?
What did he say? What did he say? Yes! I throw a saucer to you.
Now the man has come in his form. Inspector!
Yeah! Good shot. Keep it up. Absolutely.
No, actually.